Last and past this time is, and I've not seen one of these before, a Hurco. So you're thinking mill lathe? Well, no, Igloid, EDM. I'm not going to profess to know what all these controls are, but I do know a man who does. Still in regular use this machine? Talk me through it, please.
Right, so this is a manual sparker. It's a great little machine. A machine that needs a lot of skill, to be honest.
Talk yourself up there, Dave.
Yeah.
It's still, like I say, it's still in regular use. So what will you actually do with it?
So this would use mainly for repairs because the machine is manual. You can kind of like feel the job.
Right, can you just get the machine moving here with your...
Yeah, so you got your X and your Ys, so you can manually move this around. This would be for more one-offs, repair jobs if we've had to weld up a mould tool and we can like fettle it into the edge.
You can actually feel that sparking, so you're in control of it.
Yeah, exactly, yeah, and you can control the powers to get the finish you want, because sometimes the finish is a worn finish because it's been moulded, and you know, if I wanted like a 24 VDI, but it isn't a 24 VDI, it's worn, then I can fettle the controls to match what was originally.
Just quickly, what are these controls here, very quickly?
So you've got the powers, how much powers, you've got the on and off, you've got the speed of the head, you've got the polarity, if you can dwell, all the powers, depending on how you have the head pulsating, all that kind of stuff.
Absolutely fantastic, and I'm gonna steal your thunder here because I can control this one. So if you get a shot in here, please, Chris, my cameraman, ready for this one? This, beautiful. Just filling up the envelope there. There you go, David, master of EDM on your Hurco EDM Sparky Rotor. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much.